Greetings everyone. My name is Londiwe Mathe, the CSRC president of Elangeni TVET College. I'm not going to stand here and pretend I remember 27 April 1994. I wasn't born yet, but I do know what it gave me. Because of Freedom Day, I can sit in this college today. I can study civil engineering without someone telling me that course isn't for you. I can choose where I live, who I vote for, and what I want to say, even if people don't like it. Freedom Day isn't something we got 30 years ago, and now we are done. For us as students, Freedom Day means something to us too. It means not wasting the chance that people fought for. It means showing up to class even if we are tired. It means learning how to build this country. Literally, in my case, instead of waiting for someone else to fix it. Freedom Day reminds me that my grandparents stood in queues for hours just to make a mark on a paper. The least I can do is to use my mark in this college to build a future they didn't have. So yeah, Freedom Day isn't just a history, it's a responsibility. Let's not drop it. Thank you.